Is there a situation that you would have the mixer amp as, call it the starter, but then let's say I build on a dining room and I want to add 40 more speakers, and then I want to just add a slave amplifier to run
Sure.
those 40 speakers. That also can continue to be expanded?
Correct. So you can add a
Got it.
remote amplifier. These mixer amps have an output to go
Okay.
to a secondary amplifier. Now,
Yep.
again, we're still talking one zone, so you can only play
Yeah.
a single source throughout the entire space. So we're talking a basic one zone system that covers a large area. Now, you can go one step above that by adding volume controls into the system to where if you wanted to maybe be able to control each area of the restaurant volume independently. Again, same source still. We're playing that one Sonos port and that one microphone,
Yeah.
or maybe from a cable box, whatever we're sourcing audio from, throughout the entire space. But you can install 70-volt volume controls. And again, they don't add resistance to the system. You don't have to add wattage for them. You can put as many as you want. So even if you have the restaurant main dining area and maybe you want to break it up into two sections so you can maybe turn the volume down a little more in one area, that can
Yeah.
easily be done with 70-volt volume controls. It's just a matter of running your wire to wherever those volume controls are going to lie. And then,
And those volume controls would be, let's say, in a specific room. So the guy in the bar could, the bartender could actually turn it down if there's some, guy making
sure,
a
you could
speech or
take
something.
correct. You could take that one two conductor that we left wherever our communications room is. We left that
Yeah.
room. That two conductor ran all the way around to the bar. Now, let's say they decide later on, you know what, we want to be able to control the volume here in the bar a little bit because sometimes we got to turn it up because it gets rowdy. So what
Yeah.
you would do is they would take that two conductor, run it down to the volume control, and then go right back up again and out to the four speakers or how many speakers are in that bar area,
Yeah.
giving them some ability to attenuate or turn down that set or turn up.
Right.
You can also mount the volume controls all in the rack with the amplifier. They make
Oh,
rack mount volume
yeah.
controls, and you just put a nameplate on the bottom of each volume control, and you could have all the parts of the restaurant controlled right there from the head end. Again, this is what I hate to use the word basic, but this is what you would call a basic zone system where you're still only have one source, but the volume can be changed from multiple locations.
Got it.